Quick and easy chicken recipe. Welcome to my channel Rena's Kitchenary. Chicken breast 1 kilo. Slice into strips. 3/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black powdered pepper. Before do this process, make sure wash your hands, mix carefully to blend ingredients. Add 4 tablespoon flour. Mix well to coat with flour. Add 3 tablespoon oil. Put chicken strips one by one. Cook 4 minutes each side. When it's done, set aside. 6 pieces medium potatoes. Slice into cubes. 3 tablespoon olive oil. 1 oz butter. Melt the butter. Add potatoes in a pan. Stir 8 minutes on high heat. Slice 1 medium white onion. Slice 3 cloves of garlic. Add white onion to potatoes and stir in 4 minutes. Slice to medium capsicum. Slice 100 grams cherry tomatoes and add in a pan. Give it a lovely stir. Add 1 cup tomato puree. Add ½ cup water. ½ teaspoon thyme. ½ teaspoon basil. ½ teaspoon rosemary. 3/4 teaspoon salt. Give it a nice mix. Add chicken strips. Add 200 grams mozzarella cheese. Bake in oven. 200 Celsius OT 400 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Slice parsley. Remove from oven and sprinkle with parsley. Looks so cheesy and yummy. Enjoy this quick and easy chicken recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, comment to all social media, YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok account, and share. Thank you.